You finally decided to make a resume for that job application you've been putting off for so long. So you open Google Docs to start writing. But how do you even start? Well, starting from a blank slate is always the hardest. That's where resume templates can come in handy. In this video, we're going to show you how to download free resume templates and use them to create your resume in Google Docs. We've got loads of valuable tips and resources to help you create your resume faster without getting stuck, so make sure to watch till the end. First, go to resumegenius.com and click on Free Resume Templates from the Resumes tab in the top menu. Then scroll down to Free Resume Templates to download and print. The templates below this point are all free to download. You can open any of them in Google Docs and Microsoft Word. But for this video, I want to show you a simple example using Google Docs. Let's pick a template to copy to our drive. Now, make sure that the sections are laid out the way you want. You can easily drag and reorder them, or change the section titles directly. Keep your resume summary at the top, right under your name and contact info. Organize the other sections based on your experience level. We have a video on resume formats that explains this in depth, and I'll leave the link in the description below. Once you've chosen the layout you want, type in your name, the job position you're applying for, and your contact info. If you want to add another field, like your LinkedIn profile, just press Enter to add a new line. Now, simply copy and paste the contents of your resume if you've already written one. If you're starting from scratch, we have some handy tools to give you a jump start, like a resume summary generator and resume examples you can use for reference. I'll link to all of them below so you can check them out later. Use the Paint Format tool if any of the formatting looks off after pasting in your text. To do this, click on a section of text with the correct formatting, pick up the Paint Format tool, and use it on the text you want to fix. Of course, if all this sounds like too much of a hassle, you can try using our resume builder instead. Check out this video to get started. Last but not least, proofread your resume from start to finish. After you've triple-checked it and had someone else read it over, highlight the last page and press backspace to remove it. Then, download your finished resume as a PDF to keep the formatting intact. Open the file to check it one last time and rename it like this: your name -job title -resume. We've got even more cover letter and interview tips on our website, so be sure to check them out. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and we'll get back to you. Best of luck from the Resume Genius team.